Good morning. Welcome to Prosperity TV. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was just passing by on the airport road from Charlesville, and I saw these cows grazing the field. So I decided to record them and show you guys, or show you around the world, the beauty of farming. So beautiful. I'm moving backward because I'm scared. They are grazing, and there's a lot of greenery for them to eat. This is natural cows eating natural food, which is the grass. Oh, Brother Paul, I gotta go because one of them looking at me. I'm scared. The way he just looked, I'm like he's trying to charge on me. Oh, I'm watching you. All right, thank you guys. I will be posting these videos, sooner or later, because over here my internet is very poor. Please subscribe. Have a blessed day. Please subscribe. Live from Monrovia, Liberia, Charlesville Airport Road, Lower Margibi County.